So if you're having difficulty in communicating, maybe this will help. This is how, this is what helped me as a home inspector to be more successful. First thing, you smile like crazy. You smile all the time. No matter what is coming out of your mouth, it's through a smile. If there's a hole in the roof, you're smiling about it, right? Not laughing about it. It's just, it is not serious. It really isn't. For a client who has found their dream home, a hole in the roof is okay. What do we got to do? Because they found their dream home. The dream home is $1 million house or something, right? And the hole in the roof is what, $500. It's nothing, right? It's hardly anything that you can say to kill a deal. In fact, home inspectors are not deal killers. Why? Well, as a home inspector, I never killed a deal because I was just telling a story. I tell the story of the house while I'm inspecting the house with my clients. I tell them what they need to know. They need to know about the story of the house. So there's a hole in the roof. Okay, I tell them about the hole as if they are moving in. I tell them about the house as if they are moving. We're all in this assumption that they're moving in because they found their dream home, right? And they'll just have to attend to this defect in the roof. Maybe I'll give them a repair estimate, maybe a contractor list. There's hardly anything you can say as a home inspector to your clients that will change their minds. They've invested, think about it, they've invested a lot. Remember getting a return on their investment? They have already, when you meet your client at the home inspection, they have gone through a lot. You're not the first thing they've done to find this home. They've spent months, maybe even years to get to this point. There's a lot of time finding their dream home. They've been online. They've been driving around. They've been at open houses. They've done tours. They have found the right agent, the right bank, the right neighborhood, the right school district. They have the right amount for the deposit. They have the loan approval. They got the right bid, et cetera. It goes on and on. So tell them, this is how your home works, how to maintain it, and how to save energy. And the home maintenance book that we refer to at nachi.org/now can help you do that. You may want to consider, here's an idea about growing your business, hire a real estate agent as a growth agent, as a growth contractor. They're focused on growing and expanding your business. I know of a large company, inspection company, that does exactly this. Real estate agents, they love part-time work. They love hourly work, commission work. They love flexible hours. They love to work from home. And they know a ton of agents, and they know how to talk to agents. And they're already great communicators, which is an essential characteristic of this type of employee, a growth agent. So try it. Start a conversation with a real estate agent. Research shows that most agents are not selling houses. Most agents are not selling houses. They're not working as real estate agents. They're not doing anything. Most real estate agents haven't even sold a home. 90% of all agents don't even sell houses. That's how many real estate agents there are right now that you could be talking to, right? Maybe one of them is a low producing agent who needs a little extra cash. Maybe your neighbor is a real estate agent that you haven't met yet, and they would be interested in working a little bit for you. He could call up, he could work on commission, or she could be an hourly, right? With a little bonus or a bonus check. So have them, what would they do? They have them secure a top, that'd be ideal. Maybe it's too high of a goal. Maybe a mid-top or a middle producing agent, and get them to refer work to your inspection business. Network with other agents and pay the growth agent hourly with a bonus for securing a producing agent, an agent that sells a house every month or two. That would be a perfect real estate agent, right? You want 30 of them per inspector in your firm. Tell the acquired referring agent that you'll do a free radon inspection, right? For every 5 referrals, or maybe a free home inspection for every 10 referrals, or every 3 referrals, the client gets a bottle of wine or sparkling water, right? On every inspection, you bring a little small gift. We used to bring peach candies for everybody. Little peach, because our inspection company was Peach Home Inspection. So peach candy for everybody and little wrappers. So think about that idea about growing your business. And when you have a network of real estate agents, you want to nurture them. And you want to go into your list of real estate agents that you work with, and you want to fire the bad ones. You want to identify the top producing agents and clients and remove all of your small time, weak agents. So go into your data and categorize each agent by the couple of things, the number of referred jobs or by revenue, right? And remove all of your dead agents. You'll likely find that 20% of your agents are referring clients who provide 80% of your revenue. A small amount of agents are doing all the work. So why are you spending your time, investing your time and money on things that don't provide a return on your investment? Remember, everybody wants a huge return on your investment. How do you know what to invest and where to focus in relation to networking with your agents? You have the data. You'll find that a small amount of your agents are actually producing the clients that bring you the most revenue. So you might as well nurture those great agents and find more of them. Focus your attention on the top clients and their agents. Nurture them and protect them. Keep in contact with all of your past clients. Well, there's no past clients in my mind. All of your clients are clients, current clients, because you keep in contact with them. They're all talking about you. That's why you keep in contact with them. They're your ambassadors. They're speaking hopefully well of you, right? So you want to follow up. Follow up is huge for real estate agents and other professionals and everybody, right? A follow up could be just an email or a text, a thank you, saying thank you for hiring me. Thank you for scheduling this inspection. I'll see you at the house. Following up. A month, 6 months, a year after, you should have automated emails contacting your clients. Your client and agent database is like your own gold mine that keeps producing these gold nuggets. Keep mining, keep in contact, nurture these relationships, especially with the real estate agents. But you got to focus, you got to get your return on investment. So focus on what is producing the greatest return. Find out what agents want more than anything else from a great inspection company or an inspection experience. Ask your agents, your top producing agents, what is the best kind of experience you want when I do a home inspection? Talk to them. And then you align your services to what they need. You don't know, you're just guessing. Why don't you ask them and then just say, I can do that for you. Give them what they need. Then replicate that same service for as many of the same types of top clients and agents as possible. That's a great way to scale. So where are the real estate agents? I'll go to these two sources, Zillow.com and Realtor.com. Let's click here. Go to Realtor.com, and then go find realtors. And then you want to find, there's a drop down, an agent or team or company. Let's go agent. Zip code, there's Boulder, and click search. Now from here, you don't want to just find anybody. You want to find the top producing agents, right? Start from the top and then work your way down. So you want to look for most sold. There we go. So Karen, top producing. Patrick, so you can go right here. Oh, Greg Smith sold 105, right? And it's a lot of activity. There's Catherine, Stephen from Remax. So there are rankings in activities for real estate agents in any zip code. And your growth agent, maybe it's you if you're the only person there, you're gonna have to contact these folks, right? Because you want to be with those top producing real estate agents. Don't want to really spend a lot of time with agents who do not sell any services. And there's a lot. If you look down here, How many pages do we have? Let's go to the last page. There's just a lot of zeros. There's no, like, there's nothing. They're not doing anything. There's more agents than houses or something like that, right? There's a lot of real estate agents. So you want to focus and invest your time on things that bring you a large return on your investment. And remember, your clients are thinking the same thing, right? They want a lot of return on their investment. They want to be overwhelmed by value for the amount of money. They want the best burger in town for the amount of money.